This is second grade Into Math, Module 20, Lesson 2, Add and Subtract Lengths in Inches. I can use a number line to represent and solve addition and subtraction problems about length in inches. Please gather your workbook and a pencil and turn to page 496. We will begin under Build Understanding. Damien places two boxes next to each other. One box is 13 inches long. The other box is 8 inches long. How long are the boxes together? Write an equation to model this problem. Use a square for the unknown number. This equation is putting one box and another box together. One box is 13 inches and the other box is 8 inches. So we can make an equation that says 13 plus 8 equals an unknown number. Part B asks, how can you show the two lengths on the number line? Well, we know the first number is 13. So we can start at the 0 and go over to 13. And that's the first box. The second box was 8. So now that we're at the 13, we can go over 8, and we find that that stops us right at 21. So when we add 8 to 13, we find that we end at the number 21. So we can answer this problem. The boxes are 21 inches long. Let's take a look at the next problem. Lana has a string that is 24 inches long. She measures and cuts 9 inches from the string. How long is the string now? Part A asks us to write an equation. So you might want to try this part on your own, and you can pause and come back, or you can follow along with me. We know that first the string is 24 inches long, and then she makes a cut of 9 inches. So she's taking 9 inches away from the string. So first we have 24 inches, and then she is taking away 9 inches, but we don't know what the answer is when we take 9 away from 24. So this is an equation. 24 take away 9 equals an unknown. Now let's look at part B. Show the problem on the number line. Again, if you want to try this part on your own, you can do so and come back, or you can follow along with me. Our equation tells us that we have 24, so I'm going to start from 0 and go all the way over to 24. I have drawn a line on the number line from 0 to 24, showing that that's how long the string I have is. Now I'm going to take away 9, starting from the 24. When I start at 24 and take away 9, I am going to end at the number 15. You can check it by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have now solved this equation. The string is now 15 inches long because I have taken 24 and taken away 9, which leaves me at the number 15. Let's take a look at the next page, page 497 under Step It Out. Miss Lynn makes a bead necklace that is 23 inches long. She removes 7 inches of beads. How long is the necklace now? Part A asks us to write an equation for the problem. Use a square to represent the unknown number. So remember, first we had a necklace that was 23 inches long. Then she removes, which means she took something away, 7 inches of beads. So we can write that we had a 23-inch necklace, and we're taking away 7 inches, and when we do that, we will have an unknown number. Okay, part B asks us to draw a line above the number line to show the length of the necklace at the start. What was the length of the necklace at the start? It was 23 inches. So we will draw a line from 0 to the 23 mark and write the number 23 to represent this first number. Part C asks us to draw a second line to show the beads taken off the necklace. What are the amount of beads or inches taken off? 7. So we're going to start at the 23 and go back 7. And when we do that, we will stop here at the number 16. You can check that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. So we make a line, the number 7. Now we have solved our problem because we have taken 23 and then taken away 7. And when we do that, we end at the number 16. So the necklace is 16 inches long now. Nice job. Let's take a look at check understanding. Figaro has 2 pieces of string. Each one is 8 inches long. How many inches of string does he have all together? Write an equation using a square for the unknown number. Use the number line to solve. If you would like to pause and try this on your own, you may do so and come back, or you can follow along with me. Okay, so we need to write an equation using a square for the unknown number. We read that he has 2 pieces of string, and each one is 8 inches long. So we know that there are 2 pieces of 8. So 8 and 8 is going to equal an unknown number. Now we're ready to use the number line to solve. First, I'm going to draw the first 8 to here, and then I'm going to draw the next 8 over. So I had 8 plus 8, and when I put those together, I land at the number 16. So my answer when I have the equation 8 plus 8 is 16. The answer is 16 inches of string. Nice work. As always, you can go back and rewatch this video, and you can pause anytime as needed. Great job today.